Welcome to Tasty Bites from Home. Hello my friend, today we are going to make falafel wrap. It is a Mediterranean dish. So for that we need a chickpeas. We should soak it overnight. Don't use canned and boiled. And we need a handful of parsley, coriander leaf, sesame seed, onion, black pepper, ginger, garlic and green chili, chickpea flour, half tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So let's start making. We are going to grind all these ingredients together and don't make a fine paste. We need to put just 1 or 2 tablespoon of water. We are going to grind it. Grinder, if you have food processor, whatever you have it, you can use it. We are going to put our chickpea. Wash cilantro and parsley, onion, sesame seed, black pepper, garlic and ginger, green chili. You can put chili according to your taste, and that's it. We are going to grind. So I grind it all the mixture. I put 2 tablespoons of water. You can see it should not be liquidy, it should be thick like that. So we are going to put chickpea flour. This is called besan also. Don't put salt, baking soda and baking powder until you are ready to make it. If you are going to make it right now, you can mix it. Otherwise you can put it when you are ready to air fry and deep fry. And we are going to mix this one together and keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. That's way your patty is going to be soft and nice. It's time to deep fry and air fry our mixture. So we are going to add salt according to your taste, and then baking soda and baking powder. Baking soda and baking powder going to make your patty soft and numb and outside crunchy. Now we are going to make our falafel ball. You can make it round or you can make it flat, is according to your choice, which shape do you want. So I'm making like little bit flat, so it's easy to make a wrap. Spray little bit oil in the air fried tray. Now we are going to arrange our falafel patties in the tray. Spray little bit oil on the top of the falafel ball. Now we are going to air fry these falafel balls in air fry. You need to air fry these balls 375 Fahrenheit. I'm putting for 12 minutes. You need to check it according to your air fry. Sometimes it needs less time or more time. You can see in the middle and check it and fix it according to that. If you don't have air fryer at home, you can deep fry. So I'm showing you that too. So you need to do medium flame and do it deep fry. So you can see our falafel is ready. Outside is crunchy and inside is soft. It is 6 minutes past. Let's check our falafel ball. So now we have to turn it. After 12 minutes our falafel looks good. Let's check it. Is both sides is done? Yes, it's done. It's very good. So now you can see both. This is air fryer falafel or this is deep fry. So we are going to make a falafel wrap. For that, for making falafel wrap, you can have one tortilla. If you have chapati at home or anything, you can have it. You can put your choice spread. I'm putting hummus. You can put it all over nicely. Hummus tastes very good with falafel. You can put hot sauce also. So put everywhere. We're going to put now our falafel. Little bit, break it and put it nicely. You can put few onions. Bell pepper and avocado spread. This you can put any hot sauce or anything you want. Chili sauce, and you can put little bit lettuce on top of that or cabbage, and fold it from both sides like this so you can make roll nicely. Can see our burrito is ready, or you can say falafel wrap is ready. I'm going to cut in half and show you. It's very healthy. You can give your kids in the lunch and enjoy. Look at this, how beautiful is that. You can eat with avocado spread. If you want avocado spread recipe, so please check my description. You will get it, the link there. You can watch it. So thank you for watching. Enjoy. See you next time with a new recipe. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.